Businesses frequently share important files with clients through the client portal, but previously clients had no automatic notification that a new document was shared. To fix this, we've added file share notifications while still providing clients control over them. Let's learn how to upload files and change notification preferences with this update. Log into the client portal, head to the Shared Files tab, and click Share File to upload it from your computer. To change your notifications, click your profile in the bottom left corner to open Settings. Switch to the Notification Preferences tab. Enable or disable in-app and push notifications. This allows you to let clients know immediately when new information becomes available to them, improving communication and reducing missed updates while keeping control in their hands so they always feel they are getting a premium experience.